Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare the Audi Rs5 versus Audi Rs3. We'll dive into their core differences, helping you decide which performance sedan or coupe best suits your lifestyle. The Rs3 is known for its nimble handling and distinctive 5-cylinder engine, while the Rs5 offers a more refined ride with a powerful V6. Let's explore what makes each of these Audi sport vehicles unique. When it comes to performance, both cars are exceptional. The Rs3 boasts a legendary 2.5-liter 5-cylinder engine, producing around 400 horsepower. The Rs5, on the other hand, utilizes a 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6, offering approximately 444 horsepower. This difference translates to distinct driving dynamics, with the Rs3 feeling more raw and the Rs5 more effortlessly powerful. Inside, both Audis showcase premium materials and advanced technology. The Rs3 interior is compact and sporty, perfect for an engaging driving experience. The Rs5 offers a more spacious and luxurious cabin, ideal for longer journeys or carrying more passengers. Consider your daily needs and passenger requirements when evaluating the interior comfort and practicality of each model. Ultimately, your choice depends on your driving priorities. The Rs3 is a pocket rocket, delivering an exhilarating and agile experience, especially on winding roads. The Rs5 provides a more composed, yet incredibly fast ride, perfect for grand touring. Both offer exceptional value in their respective segments. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.